Oh hey, can see you there. Today's the active SGV streets, cruising through Alhambra, riding mission to mission. I think it goes until 8 o'clock or so. Pretty cool event. Brought the big boy Tumbleweed out today.
So this is the Active Streets Mission to Mission at Twilight ride. It runs from South Pasadena all the way down to San Gabriel. It's about 11 miles in total. We started in the middle and went towards San Gabriel first before turning around to head back. All along the way they have these dismount zones. This is the San Gabriel portion, where you have to walk through. A lot of vendors, food, things for kids to do. This group had some pretty impressive bikes. I think they all lit up for night rides. This is Serbrina's unique Betty Foy.
Bob Scales. Always Bob scaling.
Let me know if you'd like to see a video about it. Leave a note in the comments. Ran into a bunch of people on this ride. This is Kyle, Rick. Saw Tom, Colin. Just their Instagram handles. Send them a follow.
Guys, hey.
Probably know this guy, Sean, from the Cub House. So this is crossing Route 66, famous for the ACA cycling route. Fair Oaks Pharmacy right there. Been around for a long time. Pretty solid coffee shop along this stretch called Two Kids. Unfortunately, they were closed at this time. Apologies for the framing of the camera. You got that dino light there. 626, that's our area code. And now it's just a nice gradual descent back towards home. Serbrina's racing me on her Betty Foy. Lots of great cargo bikes out there. Quite a few bikes with frame bags, front bags, touring setups. Kind of the rando aesthetic, if you will. This guy was playing a Martin guitar. Pretty cool. Couldn't really hear it. I couldn't pick the sound up.
I'll make it.
Okay. Don't try to race me. I'm on my heavy bike and you're on your light one today.
Lots of dogs and kids in trailers. It's a great event. It only happens once a year. Normally it's in the middle of the day, or I guess in the morning to the middle of the day. This one started at 4 and went until I believe 8 o'clock. So it's really nice because it just got cooler and cooler as the ride went on. Kind of opposite of normal rides. I hope they keep this format up. We live just off route, so it's a very short bike ride for us to get to
We can do
the
that. We can
protected
kind of loop
parts.
through if you want.
And if we do it in this direction, we just finish with this gentle downhill all the way back to our house, which is really nice. I was wondering why that officer did that turn right in front of us, but just around the corner here as we were leaving, there was an accident. I'm not sure who went down. Hopefully they're okay. Surprisingly, we didn't see any other accidents, which is always a plus. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell all your friends.